Hi everyone, welcome to day 13 of my tech learning journey. Today we are going to see nested queries, which are also called subqueries. So a nested query is a query placed inside another query and is used when the output of one query is needed in another query. It can be used in select, from, or where clauses. So advantages of nested query. It helps break complex query into smaller parts. It is easy to read and manage for specific filtering tasks and can be very powerful when used with aggregate functions. Cons of nested queries. They are slower than joins when dealing with large dataset, can get complex and hard to debug if deeply nested, might not be supported efficiently in all the database systems. Now, I'm using StudentDB database and creating a table called students. Now I will insert some values. After that, we will see nested query in where clause. So the question is find students who scored more than the average marks. I will break this statement into two parts. So first part is I will find the average marks of students, and in second part, I'll find the students who scored more than the average marks. Here, I found average marks of student by using average function and passed this query inside parenthesis, which means a subquery. After that, I am using select statement, name and marks column from students where marks is greater than my subquery. So in my subquery, I found the average marks, and in my main query, I found the students whose marks is greater than the average marks. If I run this, you can see these are the students who scored more than the average marks. Now, let's see nested query in from clause. Find the marks of students who are older than 18. Here, I will use nested query in from clause. In nested query, I used select marks from students where age is greater than 18. So my nested query will return marks of those students who are above 18. And my main query will display average marks as average marks over 18 from the marks my nested query returned. Now if I run this, you can see this is the average marks of students who are above 18. Nested query in select clause display student name and total number of students. Here in main query, I am displaying name column, and in my subquery, I am counting the number of rows from students, which will be displayed as total students. So if I run this, these are the names of students and these are the total students in my students table.